These are provoking, speaker as well as the books. So, no, miss, I would like to add, because this is my forte, because I am also a serial entrepreneur, so I do a lot of businesses and all these things. So I just want to relate the story which Subrat has covered, and the book what he is talking about, The Rich Dad and Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. That dig the well when you're not thirsty. Dig the well when you are not thirsty, because when you will be thirsty, you don't have attitude to dig the well. Okay, so we all have, at one point of time, or we are still in corporate, so there they talk about sigmoid curve, S curve, right? So in India, basically what we do, or in developing country, if we have to do a strike, we actually don't do anything, right? If we have to do a strike in the factory, we just don't do anything, we just stop going to job and we stop producing the things. But in Japan or USA or developed countries, if they have to do the strike, they overperform. Because in March 2020, when the recession hit, the problem was the oil price, the crude oil price was minus $40 per barrel. So how something can be minus $40? So the point was, the Russia and the Saudi Arabia, they overproduced the oil, so that the place where they stored the oil was very less. So now, instead of people buying from the countries, the oil producing country, they are paying $40 to take away the oil from their depot. So this is sigmoid curve. This is applicable everywhere in life also. When we are in good phase of life, then only we have to think about the backup source of income. Because the time when we reach the sigmoid curve, it has to come down. It will come down. And in the corporate age, we are having more than 15 years of experience. We are becoming liability to the company. So that is the time, exactly that is the time you should have at least 20% of your income coming from the other source, or else you will be in a big trouble. Because we have seen this recession also. Every recession, people are laid off. Company will say that we don't have any opening. So you should give a look at this book, must read book, and you should join our cash flow game, because our Hemant sir, our own coach, he does give us chance to play the game and understand the game well. So be the part of the book reading club. And one thing is, for guaranteed, if you are the part of the book reading club, and if you're listening to people like Sumit, Divya, Subrat, Hemant sir, Sujata, you are gonna benefit a lot from them, because they carry a hell lot of experience, and that too in a good MNC's company. So now we